Lesson 29. Akimasu. A door opens. Example, Dua ga akimasu. The door opens. Shimarimasu. A door closes. Example, Dua ga shimarimasu. The door closes. Tsukimasu. A light comes on. Example, Denki ga tsukimasu. The light comes on. Keimasu. A light goes off. Denki ga keimasu. The light goes off. Kuwarimasu. A chair breaks. Isu ga kuwarimasu. The chair breaks. Warimasu. A glass breaks or smashes. Kuppu ga warimasu. The glass breaks. Orimasu. A tree breaks or snaps. Ki ga orimasu. The tree snaps. Yaborimasu. Paper tears. Kami ga yaborimasu. The paper tears. Yogorimasu. Clothes get dirty. Fuku ga yogorimasu. The clothes get dirty. Tsukimasu. A pocket is attached. Poketo ga tsukimasu. A pocket is attached. Hazorimasu. A button is undone. Button ga hazorimasu. The button is undone. Tomarimasu. A car stops. Kuruma ga tomarimasu. Machigaimasu. Make a mistake. Tesuto de machigaimashita. I made a mistake on the test. Otoshimasu. Drop loose. Saifo otoshimashita. I dropped my wallet. Kakarimasu. Be locked. Dua ga kakateimasu. The door is locked. Fukimasu. Wipe. Tiburu o fukimasu. I wipe the table. Torikaimasu. Change. Battery o torikaimasu. I change the battery. Katazukimasu. Tidy up. Put in order. Heya o katazukimasu. I tidy up the room. Osara. Plate. Dish. Sara o araimasu. I wash the dishes. Chawan. Rice bowl. Chawan ni gohan o erimasu. I put rice in the bowl. Kuppu. Glass. Vessel. Kuppu ni mizu o erimasu. I put water in the glass. Garasu. Glass. Material. Garasu ga warimashita. The glass broke. Fukuro. Bag. Fukuro ni erimasu. I put it in the bag. Shuroi. Document. Papers. Shuroi o kakunin shimasu. I check the documents. Eda. Branch. Twig. Kino ida ga orimashita. The tree branch snapped. Iken. Station attendant. Iken ni ikikimasu. I asked the station attendant. Kuban. Police box. Kuban ji michi o kikimasu. I asked for directions at the police box. Supichi. Speech. Supichi o shimasu. I give a speech. Henji. Reply. Answer. Henji o shimasu. I will reply. Osaki ni dozo. After you. Go ahead, please. Osaki ni dozo. Go ahead, please. Genji Monogatari. The Tale of Genji, a novel written by Murasaki Shikibu in the Heian era. Genji Monogatari o yomimasu. I read the tale of Genji. Hasha, the train which has just left. Hasha no bero ga narimasu. The departure bell rings. Wasorimono, things left behind, lost property. Wasorimono o tori ni ikimasu. I will go to get my lost item. Kochira, about this big. Kochira no hou ga ii desu. This one is better. Yoko, sighed. Yoko ni suwatte kudasai. Please sit beside me. Poketto, pocket. Poketto ni erimasu. I will put it in my pocket. Atari, around, about. Sono atari o sagashimasu. I will look around there. Oboite imasen. I don't remember. Nani mo oboite imasen. I don't remember anything. Tana, overhead rack. Tana ni nimotsu o okimasu. I will put my luggage in the rack. Tashika, I'm pretty sure. Tashika ni so desu. I'm pretty sure that's the case. Ah, oh, that's great. Thank goodness. Used to express a feeling of relief. Ah, yukatta. Oh, that's great. Shinjuku. Shinjuku. Name of a station, district in Tokyo. Shinjuku ni ikimasu. I will go to Shinjuku. Jishin. Earthquake. Jishin ga arimashita. There was an earthquake. Kabe. Wall. Kabe o norimasu. I will paint the wall. Toke no hari. Hands of a clock. Toke no hari ga susundeimasu. The hands of the clock are moving forward. 10. Point. Zuyu na ten o hanashimasu. I will talk about the important point. Ikimae. The area in front of a station. Ikimae ni hito ga takusanimasu. There are many people in front of the station. Taorimasu. Fall down. Ke ga taorimashita. The tree fell down. Nishi. West. Nishi ni ikimasu. I will go west. Huku. Direction of. Tadashi huku oshite kudasai. Please tell me the correct direction. Moimasu. Burn. Kiga moimasu. The wood burns. Reporta. Reporter. Reporta ga interview shimasu. The reporter will conduct the interview. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Mata ne!